Hello and welcome to Waltz lessons Basic and Beyond. We continue to explore advanced figures which we can build from basic figures. And today we will look at Tumble Turn to Weave Ending. Let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators, Romance and Violetta. And we start today with Tumble Turn. So Tumble Turn consists of two parts. First part is feather finish, which is slow foxtrot figure, and we continue with reverse pivot. After that, we will continue with weave ending, that is steps 3 to 6 from weave from promenade position. And now let's look at Romance and Violetta. They will show us Tumble Turn. And 1, 2, and 3. And from opposite angle. And 1, 2, and 3. Now, let's look at weave from promenade position. So we take promenade position and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's look again. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's combine these two figures together. So we start with Tumble Turn. Only difference is that we underturn last step, and now we continue with syncopated timing of weave ending. Let's look again. And 1, 2, and 3. That was Tumble Turn, and we continue with and 1, 2, 3. And that was weave ending. Before this figure, we will dance turning lock to right, 1 and 2, 3, and from promenade we dance quick open reverse turn. Let's do it again. So we start with turning lock to promenade position, and from promenade man dances 2 heels in quick open reverse turn. Now let's combine these figures together. So we will dance turning lock to promenade position, quick open reverse from promenade position, then tumble turn with weave ending. Very good. Now from opposite angle. And 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, and 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now let's continue with another figure, which is curve feather. Originally this is foxtrot figure, so we dance curve feather, and we continue with rolling chasse to right. Notice the sway on one and then rolling action. Let's do it again. and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. And now let's put all today's routine together. So we start with turning lock to promenade position, quick open reverse from promenade position, tumble turn with weave ending, curve feather, and chasse roll to right. And from opposite angle, this time with teaching count, and 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. And now to music. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and see you in the next dance videos.